want to learn how to create this character freeze effect, do not worry, I'm going to teach you. Go to Capcut, click on new project, then bring the video you want to create character freeze effect out of. I'm just going to click on this one, then I'm going to play the video. When I get to where I want to create a character freeze effect, I'm going to pause it, then scroll to where I have freeze, click on freeze. Next, go to duplicate and duplicate the part you want to freeze. Then go to overlay and overlays. Now you have your overlay video. Click on your overlay video. Further scroll to remove BG, then remove the background. Next, click on stroke. Now you can choose the stroke you want, whatever stroke, just play with it. Then you can also adjust it to suit whatever it is or however you want it. Next, I'm just going to play with the size of my stroke and adjust it the way I want it, like this. The next part is not necessarily compulsory, but if you want to jazz up your character effects, go to where you have effect, scroll to effect, video effect, then scroll to where you have texture. Just keep scrolling until you see texture, click on it. Click on the third texture, which is dot silk screen, then adjust it to your taste, adjust it to however you like it. I'm just going to adjust mine like this. So once you are done doing that, you go back to text and add text to your character freeze effect. I'm just going to click on text, then I'm going to add the name of this character, which is Nina Block. I'm just going to type in Nina Block. Then after typing it, I'm going to go to font and choose my desired font, and I'm also going to go to effects and choose any effect I like. I like this yellow one. Next, I'm going to go to animation and animate the text. You can see how beautiful this is. Next, I'm going to click on text again and write her, let's say her role. I'm just going to say content creator for this one. Then I'm going to adjust the text. I'm just going to leave it as black because it complements the other yellow text, so I'm going to leave it as black. Next, I'm going to go and look for any animation I like and pick it for this text. You can see now they are both animated and this is so beautiful. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.